Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. This is my Friday Night Gab. I do have a cold, so you can hear that in my voice. I do not have COVID. I was tested and I am negative. And, but you know, what I got to say about that is, if you look up what is a cold, what is the flu, what is a sinus infection, and what is COVID, they have very, very similar things. There's lots of similarities. It's very hard to distinguish between them. There are tests. I think you can take a test for the flu. I don't know if you can take a test for a cold, but I know a lot of doctors will just say, instead of saying cold, they'll say sinus infection or upper respiratory. And I took the at-home government test that told me I did not have COVID. And so that I took it properly, I watched a YouTube video to follow it properly, because there's a lot of instructions that you have to follow. So it says I'm negative, and I believe it. Except that in my small office of 5 or 6 people, 3 people got sick. 1 person was diagnosed with COVID, and the other 2 were not. The other 2 were diagnosed negative. So do I have COVID? Maybe I do. I don't know. But I've never had a fever. I don't know if that matters. Anyway, I'm just saying, you know, I don't know. I really don't know. I wish we didn't have to have these illnesses at all, because I'm doing pretty well. I just feel like I'm wearing earmuffs all the time. And every now and again I cough. I'm coughing a lot less, and I don't have any gunk coming out of me. Isn't that lovely to talk about? But I'm doing pretty well. I'm drinking. So lots and lots of drinking. And that is what's going on with me. So what's going on with y'all? I hope you've had a good week. You know, I've got to say, y'all, I'm not the kind of person I try not to be negative. I try to be positive. I try to always look at the bright side. But so far, 2023 has not been my best friend. And it's not been the best friend of many people I know. Family members, friends and their families, all kinds of things going down. And it's not real pleasant. So, like I do ask y'all, just keep everybody in your prayers. And you know that people are praying for you as well. I pray for y'all every day. So just wanted to say that, get that out of the way. And let's see what's going on. I don't really have all that much more, really. I do want to say that YouTube, I am behind on my comments, and I don't like that. I try to catch up. What I've been trying to do is comment on the video that I put up, the most recent videos I put up, and then go back to the old stuff that YouTube Studio shows me. Well, YouTube Studio was showing me some things from like 6 or 7 days out. And I got to about 5 days out. And then that was last night. And then this morning I wake up and I went into a particular video because I was looking at something. And there were comments that said that they were 9 days old in there. So why aren't they in YouTube Studio telling me that I have 9-day-old comments? So it's frustrating. So I do apologize if I don't comment back to you, especially if you've asked me a question or something. Please ask me again somewhere else, or send me an email. Send me a DM on Instagram, Mary Catherine Loves Cats, at yahoo.com. Mary Catherine Loves Cats on Instagram. So, because I don't mean to ignore you at all. And I try so hard to catch up with those, but being sick and then so many other reasons that I just got way behind, y'all. So I apologize. So, well, by now, I hope you have seen the video that I put up this morning. It was a very short, little tiny video. It's an advertisement for my Valentine's Day collab that is coming up on Valentine's Day, February 14th. I'm excited about it because it was lots of fun. It's called Love and Lashes, and it is a collab that was thought up by Sue from Reviews with Sue, and Kim's A Little of a Lot, and myself. Sue, I said something about, I got some lashes in a box, and Sue said something to me about it. about we should do something with that. And Kim also had said something to Sue about it. And so we came up with this collab. And I've been telling y'all for a long time I've been gonna put on my fake eyelashes. So that's what that video is about, and it should be lots of fun. And I have not seen the other ladies' videos. I've only seen mine. So I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. And of course, we're doing giveaways. So go see those other ladies. I'll have them in the description right now so you can find them early. Our videos won't be up until February 14th, and it will be, so that's Thursday. And they'll go up at 12 o'clock Eastern time, which is 11 o'clock Central time. My time is Central time. So I think, yeah, Kim is in Eastern time. Sue is in Eastern time, so it's going up noon their time, and it's going up 11 o'clock a.m. my time. So I think that's going to be a lot of fun. And if you're looking for my winner from my Fab Fit Fun Mystery Bundle Battle with Johanna from JM Unboxing and More, I didn't do a video. I always do a video for my winners, but that particular video, I did tell you in my original video that Johanna did the video. We had one winner. We both are doing a giveaway, and one winner is getting that giveaway instead of two winners because it was our 20th battle, and we wanted to do something a little different. So the winner is getting like an extra bonus because they're winning both of our giveaways. So that video I did post it in my community tab. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll put Johanna below. It's on her channel, so go see it and to see if you've won, or to see who won. And that was a lot of fun too. And the wonderful Gabby, Johanna's son, did that video for us, and he is just a sweet, sweet young man. So go see that video. And I know I'm talking about giveaways and stuff. I don't really have a lot to say. Why don't I have a lot to say? I thought I had more to say, but I don't. So, all right. Also, I have my treasure trove giveaway started again yesterday. So if you are following the treasure trove giveaway, you just have to, if you watch that video, comment on that video. And in about a month's time, I do tell you when it ends in that video. I will pick a winner, and you pick from groupings 1, 2, and 3. And you will win those groups. That you will win what you choose if you are the winner that's picked. If you're the winner that's picked and you know bonus items from the 9th of February through the end of the game, which I think is the 10th of March, I think. If you watch videos from now until then, from now and again, I will put a bonus in my videos. If you keep track of the videos and you know the video, if you keep track of the bonuses in the videos, you will win those videos. If you are my winner, and you know the bonuses, you will win them as well. Okay? So if you have any questions, ask me. So I do have one today. So we have the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip. This is the pretty packaging. Here it is, Tarte. It's getting the glare there. This is what it looks like inside. I do have this in the full size. This is a deluxe sample, but it's still a very good size. How you use this is I'm showing it to you upside down. I'm sorry. That's the bottom is the pink. You take the cap off, and there it is. And you can see it's not been touched. When you turn it up, it comes out. You don't want to turn up like a bullet lipstick or anything because it's very creamy. You want to put up just what you need. Okay, so I'm going to close that back up, and that is for that game. And then also that giveaway is going on, and my giveaway with Jessie Miller Unboxings and More, the Red Box of Wellness giveaway. I had a mystery box. Jessie has the January box, and we battle. And we've asked you to vote on who wins the battle, and then also we have a giveaway. So go see those videos, and you have until the 15th of February to enter that giveaway. I think mine ends at midnight, February 15th. I'm not sure when Jessie's ends, but give us a couple of days to get our winners out, our winner announcements out afterwards. And that might be it for now, y'all. So I don't know why I felt like I had more to tell you, but I guess that's plenty. So thank you for stopping by. I hope that you're doing well. I hope that y'all are not sick. I was just thinking before this happened to me, I was just thinking how, wow, I got through all of Thanksgiving and Christmas and January without being sick, because usually I get some sort of sinus infection. I have sinus issues every day of my life. So, but this is not really like a sinus infection, because the gunk that I have coughed up, which isn't very much, thank goodness, is clear. And my doctor always told me if that's the case, then it is not an infection. So that's why I call it a cold. Who the heck knows? You can have a fever with anything, and I'd never had a fever. That's what I was just saying earlier, that it's hard to distinguish, was it a cold? I know it wasn't the flu, because the flu, I think you always have fever, and I think you have nausea with the flu, don't you? And I had some achiness, and I have stuffy, but the achiness is gone. I'm much less tired. I was tired for the first few days, very tired, but I'm not tired now, so that's good. I feel very back to normal, except I know I sound funny, and I feel like I have earmuffs on, and I don't like it. I want to take them off. I have sensitive ears. I have a hearing loss, so I don't like this to begin with. So anyway, that is my Friday Night Gab. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful evening. I hope that you have a wonderful weekend as well. I normally probably would have done a live tonight, but I didn't do a live because of my voice. So we'll see what happens. If I feel better next Friday, then I probably will go live. So thank y'all for stopping by. Count your blessings. Have a wonderful weekend, y'all. Do something to take care of yourself. Always take care of yourself, and use your good stuff. Okay? Love y'all. Bye.